Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Hope everyone's refreshed, ready to make some money this week. Fingers crossed. Right, news today. There isn't a lot, I don't think. Yeah, we've got a Canadian bank holiday and factory orders at 10 AM. Yellow folder. Nothing to be concerned about. Nothing to be concerned about. Double check this one. Yeah, no, nothing to be concerned about. So it could be a bit of a choppy day, to be honest. Could be a bit of a choppy day. So how you doing, mate? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Well, let's get a poll up. Bias. Oh, yes. To be honest, I think I'm leaning towards chop, to be honest. There's no news. Last week we had some bit up and down news, didn't we? And yeah, I feel like it could just be a choppy day while the market adjusts to the situation. With obviously last week's job report being revised and all that sort of shit. Big sell-off. Yeah, I reckon it could be a choppy day. But I'm open to anything. I'm open to anything. Sorry. So trade ideas that I like today. We've got value area high sitting here, so we're trading above it currently. We've been trading above it all morning basically since comfortably since London Open. I do like the idea of dropping back into here, so potentially you could get a break and retest of this level, and then potentially you could target second trade could be point of control potentially. Yesterday's point of control, Friday's point of control. EU to suspend trade countermeasures on US by 6 months. Pretty bullish. That's pretty bullish. But then yeah, I do like the idea of a tap into Asia Open as well. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel great about longing from here. So I want to hold off. And I feel like, to be honest, we'll probably shoot down pretty quick if we're coming down that way. Right, what we got? We've got 1 minute. Yeah, sorry I wasn't around Friday, guys. It was the levels that I would have been looking to trade from are miles away, so there was pretty much no chance I was going to take a trade. Didn't really see the point in the stream, and I had stuff to do, so I thought I would just crack on. And yeah, I didn't end up taking a trade in the end. Right, 30 seconds and we're open. Yeah, EU suspending trade countermeasures on the US by 6 months. Pretty bullish news, to be honest, I think. So that could have an impact on what we do. If we do go up there, what are my upper levels that I'd be looking to trade off of? It would be previous week value area low at let me get ES back up. The Nasdaq right now. 354, so quite a way away. Around here somewhere, so unlikely that we'll get there in the AM session. You never know, you never know. Solly, yo man, how you doing? How you doing? How was your weekend? Leo, how you doing, mate? Hope your weekend was good. K-Man. Hope everyone's weekend was good. What did I do this weekend? I think it happened, I'm sure it happened. Bit of roast dinner around the mother-in-law's yesterday. That was nice. Other than that, I don't think we really did much. Friday we did a load of stuff, getting ourselves ready, cleared out the office a little bit, because the office was just being piled up with baby crap. So organised that a little bit. Got some floor space back, which is nice. Right, push up initially we've had. I'm ending the poll now. 40% reckon long, 40% reckon short, 20% chop. How did the Nasdaq open? So ES has taken high of day. And Nasdaq is, Nasdaq was opening up a higher day anyway, wouldn't we? Pretty strong open then. YM is opening stronger as well. Oh, I need to change contracts. On gold. Bit better. Yeah, pretty strong morning from gold as well. Well, gold had a fucking day on Friday, didn't it? Jesus. that Friday? Yeah, the first was Friday, wasn't it? Yeah. All right, boys and girls, I've set up a little Google form to fill out if you're wanting to join me on a stream one day. I've got a little form for you to fill out. Just a couple of questions there, just a quick form to fill out, and then whenever I'm doing it, I can sort of look at that form, see who's interested, and yeah, reach out to you. It would be a laid back kind of vibes. Doesn't matter what ability trading wise you are. You could be beginner trader, practice trading. You could be live, personal funded account trading, whatever. Doesn't matter. Chilled vibes and just hanging out here. Yeah, fill out that form. And I'm thinking it'd be nice to be able to do it once a week if there's enough interest. Maybe every 2 weeks or something. Maybe every Friday or something like that. But yeah, we'll see when people are available and shit like that. So yeah, it should be good fun. Good mate, I passed my first eval in 2025 last week. Nice, solid man, nice. Congratulations. Oh, buzzing for you. Buzzing for you. Is that today's your first day trading it live then, is it? Or have you already had a couple of trades on it? Just finishing up setting my Nasdaq charts up before I get time to do that this morning. Oh. I took 4 trades last week, up what, 1600. Nice, solid, nice man, great start. Lots of funders at the start of the year and struggled to bounce back. Yeah, no, I get that, mate, I get that. I mean, it's hard mentally anyway, I think, to bounce back from shit like that. As soon as you start getting down that rabbit hole, you can get lost down there for a good while. I'm still down that rabbit hole a little bit. And then yeah, especially with the change in market conditions as well, that wouldn't have been helping. But yeah, I'm glad you're back on it, man. Congrats. Oh, K-Man wants to join the stream. Nice, nice. Won't be able to see his face, so that's a shame, innit? All day, mate, all day. Yeah, it'd be good to see you, man. Well, good to hear you. Thanks, mate. I'm locked in on New York session now. I'm not even looking at OG yet. I mean, if that's what's working, that's what's working. What's your job situation now? I think last time I spoke to you, you'd been picking up work with your old boss, Carpenton, I believe. But you're doing... Are you working nights? Is that you? I can't remember. That might be someone else. But I assume your work schedule allows you to trade New York session. That just means you've got to trade early hours, doesn't it? Need to work out what accent I'll do. Yeah, that'd be funny, man. That'd be funny. Oh, we said about this the other week, didn't we? Phone jacker. Nathan, yo, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Hope you're well. Hope your weekend was good. I get targeting out. Yes, man, do it, please. I'll be fucking in stitches the whole fucking live stream. Well, so last month, boys, I had my most profitable month on the funded accounts last month. Ended the month $290 up. Buzzing. No, I mean, it's fucking far better than I've been trading, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, I was looking at this before. Come on. We see this? Yeah, July, 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 losers. 290. Overall 3 accounts, that is. Overall 3. Yeah, well happy with that. Best month this year. Congrats, got to start from some of that's it, mate. That's it. That's it. I'm just, yeah, grateful it was a green month and not a red month, to be honest. I can't remember what week I started the volume profile stuff. It's probably a good 2 weeks into the month, maybe. So, yeah, it'd be interesting to see what August brings. 4 months of doing it. I'll probably be taking a little bit more on the funders as well now. Now I'm a little bit more confident with it. I'm back to carpentry, just had some cash yet. Now I'm back on short night shift and trying to focus on trading. Yeah, okay, nice, man, nice. The trouble is, it'd be difficult to work a day shift and then be up all night trading, wouldn't it? So yeah, it's about, yeah, finding the balance. And yeah, that's a good way to do it. Half a night shift, then spend the other half trading and then sleep during the day. That's a big difference though for you though, Solly. I remember you saying that you the London session was volatile for you. Probably when you first started joining my streams. I think it was just a one-off here and there if you was up. And yeah, I remember you saying that the London sessions were a bit crazy. The New York sessions must fucking blow your head off. We're up and away, aren't we, today? Up and away. I've started to write notes, boys. Trying to play it more sensible. So every day, I want to start writing like pre-session notes to sort of what I'm looking for the day, and then after the day, come back, read this, and basically see if I stuck to what I was thinking or just throw it out the window kind of thing. So yeah, today was London session has opened above previous day value are high and it's pushing higher. Asia session been pushing up all morning. Prefer the idea of a short bias day because of the initial push up, but with the revised job data, it could be a strong bullish day as well. And we've also just had that EU news as well. So that looks like the way we're going. And obviously, if we keep pushing up, the only play for me really is the previous week play if we get there. Seemed unlikely this morning that we would get there, but looking more likely now. But yeah, just to try and help me make sure I'm sticking to the plan, basically. Because the amount of times that I'll be like, oh yeah, I think we're going to do this. This is what I'm looking for. And then I'll do something completely different. I'm going to start trying to be a bit more disciplined and treat it more professionally. Anything looking for longs and pullbacks yet? Yeah, I think we could. We've got a while to go, haven't we? I think there's a good distance to get up there, I think. No real resistance until, I mean, on Nasdaq, you're looking at 230s before you're sort of facing any real resistance now, I would have said. We have just pushed above A level, so as long as we're looking comfortable above that, which we are at the minute. Yeah, I'm going to sit and wait patiently for a potential short from the previous week value area low. And yeah, on ES that'd be around 354. In fact, let's mark it out on here. Yeah, the volatility has me sweating. I'm scared to press a button today. Yeah, seeing get used to it though, it's not really any different once you're used to it. I think the further, if you just zoom out further, it looks the same as Asia, doesn't it really? War day up. How you doing, mate? Any trades yet? No, not yet, mate. Not yet. Been waiting patiently. I think the play is going to be previous week value area low. Is what I'm looking for. Not a short off there potentially. See how we're going. Ward, I was just saying, you probably just missed it. I've started writing notes prior to the start of the day. Sort of what I'm looking for. Just to ensure that I'm not going rogue and doing other things basically. So I was liking the idea of market pushing down, which I know there's plenty of levels to trade from. But yeah, the only play if we push up is the previous week value area. But yeah, we'll see. Gambler, good morning. How you doing, mate? Yes, mate, not too bad, not too bad. Nothing from me yet. sitting on my hands waiting patiently. Hope your weekend was good though, mate. Oh, mate, I trimmed my nose hairs for the first time in about a year. Yesterday, and my nose is well itchy now. Been sneezing all morning. Very nice, I like that. I just use the boxes, but I want to start categorizing them into A to C setups yet. Yeah, I mean, that's eventually what I'd like to do once I've got enough data of how every single one is. Then I'll be able to sort of categorize them into what's more likely. At the minute, just sort of guessing. I would guess that the point of control, previous day point of control, is my favorite. But yeah, once I've got quite a few trades under the belt, the data will be there to see. That's why I have every single possible way to play it marked out differently, so I can record it differently every time and see exactly which players are the better ones for me anyway. Weather cooling down for you. Yeah, it's finally warming up for me down under. It's getting there. It's not as bad as it has been. There's no like heat wave or anything. I don't know what it is today. I think it's 19 today. Highs of 19. Most of the country's got a storm today. Highs of 21 today. But yeah, we're getting there. I mean, what are we now? 1st of August. Not 1st of August, 4th of August. September, it will start dropping a little bit more. And by the time October's here, it should be a bit chilly, hopefully. But I'm still t-shirting it to work. And I'm on the electric scooter at 3:30 in the morning. And yeah, it's fine on a t-shirt, so it's not too bad yet. Wouldn't mind taking along from 309 if we get down there yet. 309, where's that? Yeah, okay. Why 309 ward? Oh, just that support level. Is that what you're thinking? I don't know if we'll get down there, not anytime soon anyway. Fresh month as well. Always nice to, yeah, it's always nice having a fresh start in it. Always nice having a fresh start. It was around this time last year, my EMA was when I sort of come across the EMA strategy. And from that point onwards, I had a really good rest of the year. So maybe the same thing will happen this year for me. I'll make 10 grand at the end of the year. That's a straight life for living these days. I'm thinking of moving. Nice ward, man. I mean, I always hear they have a lot better quality of life than what we do, like work-life balance-wise and stuff. My stepbrother lives in New Zealand and he fucking loves it, I think. He went over there when he was, I don't know, like 24 and never come back, so. This place is trash. Oh, mate, yeah, I can't bear it either. It is shit. It is shit. I wouldn't mind Canada. I don't think like the economy wise is much better, but like just the country's a lot better than here, isn't it? Days of today can be hard to get into with good risk yet. Yeah, I've always struggled on days like this. Straight up vertical days, it's the minute that you try to enter is the minute that we get the pullback. America down the drain as well. Yeah, I think most fucking Western countries these days are shit. The reason I like the idea of Australia or New Zealand is I always hear that if World War III breaks out, they'll be the places to survive because they're just so far away from everything else. Expensive. That's why that comes to mind. I live 2 hours north of Sydney and everyone is moving up from Sydney, squeezing us out. Okay, yeah. If baby coming, then I'm gone. How will you go over there, like Ward, like visa wise and stuff? Like, you normally need like a trade or something, don't you? Is there like another visa that you've got in mind that you can get in over? Some countries have like if you're going over there and starting a business up and stuff, they and employing people, they let you in, don't they? Too violent, the rat race doesn't pay for houses anymore yet. It's the same here, man. I mean, the UK has always been the place where like a lot of people in Europe come to work because they have it in their head that it's more opportunities here, like more opportunity to earn more money and shit like that back than it is back in their own countries. But I think now people are getting here and realizing that it's actually just a shit here. And yes, you can earn more money here, but it costs you just as much money to fucking live. Pay an absolute fortune just to put a roof over your head. China is there are on us. Yeah, that's not surprising to be fair. China's not too far, is it? I mean, there was a shit ton of ways to go, plus I got a family as well. I take the business probs, I have employed some Aussies, yeah. Yeah, it's probably the best way. Start the business or move the business over and yeah, employ some Aussies and yeah, they'll welcome you in with open arms probably. Yeah, I think my stepbrother does something in the building trade. Don't know what, I don't really speak to him, but Taco, yo! Didn't know you actually had to take a trade in 5 days on TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, we need to have the account in 5 days. Oh man, you've been sitting there waiting patiently for something that's not happening. Yeah, you've got to take a trade. I think even if you just open the position, close it straight away, you should be fine. On day 2, some new evals after last week. Yeah, nice one, Taco, man. Live in the bush. That'd be fucking crazy, man. Are you not scared of the spiders and the fucking all the animals that are there to try and kill you? I'd be constantly living on my nerves, man. I'm scared of a bee. past them 3 days, was waiting, but check that. Wow, I'm still on day 3. Yeah, man, you gotta take a trade. Gotta be 1 minute, I think. Okay, yeah. Yeah, well done for having a look at the small print, man. I didn't know it was a minute. I've already said it, but to anyone that wasn't here, here's a link to a form to fill out to join me on the live streams. Just a couple of questions, just so I've got a list of people that are interested. And then yeah, as and when I'm doing it, I'll reach out to you, and yeah, get you on for the live stream. It'd be nice and chill vibes, nothing too serious. Doesn't matter on your trading ability if you're new to trading or professional trader, whatever your situation is. Doesn't matter. Come and hang out, and yeah, we'll have a laugh. What an Obi. Man, that's a mouthful. We're getting up here, aren't we? We're pushing up. Dingo Hill. I'm sure there's some really nice places in Australia. I think I always thought of it as literally just like one big desert, like especially when you go out into the outback and stuff. But I think you do get little pockets of green here and there, don't you? I've seen some geezers on YouTube that have like a little homestead And it's like a little tropical paradise there, do you know what I mean? Obviously only in certain areas, I assume, but... Huey's Magic Email has been cooking today. I didn't know he had shared it with you, Leo. I don't feel special now. I'm staying away from the minute chart these days. Don't even look at it. Or try not to anyway. Top of Oz is rainforest, yeah? The north is where it's at. A wild and shit. Oh man, that's fucking ideal. I wouldn't mind doing Australia. The missus doesn't want it though. I think I'd rather do New Zealand than Oz, purely for the creepy crawlies. Insects tend not to like me, so I'd just end up being murdered out there. So I had to find out. Yeah, I know. New Zealand's amazing. This landscape is crazy. Yeah, it fucking looks amazing, doesn't it? I mean, I've only ever seen it in pictures and stuff. Obviously, Lord of the Rings and stuff was filmed there. Says it all, doesn't it? I'm sure there's been plenty of other movies that have been filmed there. Spearfishing 10 out of 10. Never done spearfishing. I bet that's fucking well fun, to be fair. I think if I was going to do any kind of fishing, I'd be up for doing spearfishing. Nasdaq's up a cool 180 points since open. Very impressive, really. Bit of a doji on the previous 5-minute bar on ES. Same on the NQ as well. Struggling a little bit, aren't we? Struggling a little bit. Why have I got no volume profile up for? You seen the Faroe Islands as a dream to go for me? Yeah, I've heard the Faroe Islands are nice. %, over 108k, Jesus. Fucking can you miss? Yeah, it's not an issue I've had to really come across yet. I pulled that short after that 5-minute doji targeting value area low high, yeah? Nice, man, nice. I bet that's a fairly high probability trading it would. If we're pushing quite a bit above current day value area, and then you get a nice doji looking like we're getting a reversal back to the value area is good. Probably a good trade. It's not one that I've even thought about. I'm down to sound that 179k mark. Yeah, 179 would do, wouldn't it? Alright, check the 22nd of July volume profiles. It's way back, isn't it? 22nd of July. Is that the previous day that point of control you was on about? How far back do you run them then? I don't know, the way I think about like that far back, yes, it was untouched, but we melted through it on the sell-off, didn't we? I mean, I suppose it's extra confidence, isn't it? If you've got another trade idea, obviously, like you did have. Previous month point of control, I don't even fucking look at that, man. All the way. Break and retest, yeah, hi. There's a limit to where you stop working because it makes no sense to take the risk to make more money. Yeah, that's it. I mean, if you've got enough to be very comfortable from, there's no need, is there, to risk more to only make slightly more because you're going to get taxed more. Oh, previous market. I was going to say. Previous month. Trade day 4 complete. Nice, Taco. I need to wait for a real trade for the actual evals. Nice, Taco, man. But you pay taxes or enjoy the money, or you never get it. Yeah, I suppose one way to look at it is if you don't get taxed on it until you take it out, you can have more in your account, potentially risk more, then make more money per trade. But you'd eventually have to start taking it out, wouldn't you? I'll check the phone later, but I ain't got a camera. It doesn't matter, mate. It doesn't matter. You'll have a microphone in your computer, won't you? Microphone and sharing the screen is most important things, really. I need some hardware advice. Yeah, I mean, you should be alright, I would have thought. I think the way it works is there's like an online website that you can do it through, and I basically send you a link, you join, and it's essentially like joining like a Zoom meeting or a Teams meeting or whatever. You just say, yes, I agree to share my screen, yes, I agree to share my mic, and but then I do everything from there. I think I can mute you if you get on my nerves. I can turn your screen off if you're showing off too much. And these fuckers around the world are talking about taxing going on profits. Oh, there's no chance they can do that. There's no chance. The rich run the world. They ain't gonna let that happen. Because yeah, I mean, if they do, I mean, no one's got any chance in fucking hell of getting anywhere. Yeah, it's gonna force you to sell just to pay your taxes on it. Seen in the spotlight, yeah, mate, that's it. Unless you're taking consistent earning. Yeah, they want money from it then. I mean, I'm sure when crypto was first around, it was considered gambling and it was tax free. And as soon as they realized people were actually making shitloads of money from it, they was like, oh no, hang on a minute, we can't have that. We need to tax you. I mean, I know with crypto, as soon as you sell, it's then a taxable. Any profit you made is taxable if you pull it out of your account or not. But that wouldn't be it would be different, I think, for like a specific trading account like futures or something. Maybe, I don't know. How many times in the past we said there's no chance in hell they would do this? Yeah, that's true. That's true. One thing that's good about the UK though, to be fair, is we have quite good tax accounts, tax-free like investment accounts that you can have. Like stocks and shares ISA, you can invest 20 grand a year, and any profits you make tax-free. That's fucking banging. Like I think that's probably the highest amount like yearly you can put into it than pretty much anywhere else. I think Canada is 4 grand, I think, a year. And I'm pretty sure the exchange rate is about like 100 British pounds would be about 200 Canadian dollars, I think, roughly. There's a lot of fuckery with trading taxes. I'll ask Pelosi. Futures in Brazil is 20% tax on the day trade and 50% tax on the swing trade. That's not too bad. You'll have it. If on that month you close in profits, doesn't matter if you withdraw or not. Yeah. Stocks are 15%. It's only if you sell. Okay. Further taxes. Yeah, that's actually reasonable, isn't it? That's reasonable. I mean, the barbecue you get. I'm not done yet. Tell you what, man, I've been sneezing all day. It's doing my head in. Had some barbecued African sausage over there and it was trash. They say other people like discarded meat. Oh man. Off to work. Great job staying patient. Have a good rest of your day. Sit down, gambler, mate. Enjoy work as much as you can. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Still showing strength. Yeah, man. I'm still holding out for the previous week value area low. See if we can get a little short from there. So they're stepping in. Yeah, I mean, it's technically could be the top, but yeah, big wad of volume is popped up here, isn't it? So it's either the midpoint of the leg or it's the reversal. Sorry about me stiffening, guys. My fucking nose is running like mad now. That's what I get for trimming my nose hairs. I've got loads of little fucking hairs up in my nostrils now. But I'm off, done for the day. Good day today, so I'll wait for alerts. Yeah. See that, Ward man. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yes, I'm gonna if nothing appears today, in the AM session, I'm gonna be open to trade and taking a trade in the PM session. Have my alerts set up. Yeah, enjoy, man. Enjoy. Take it easy and see you tomorrow if you're around. Oh, gold hit a wall, didn't it? Chat doesn't care about time. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Doesn't care about my bedtime. See you later, man. So we've got 8 weeks until the baby's due. 8 weeks today. So sneaking up on us well quick, man. 8 weeks isn't long, is it? 2 months. That's if they're not early. Oh, he won't be early. He's not allowed. No, I've got a feeling it'll be a little bit late, to be honest. Not loads. I think 3rd or 4th of October, I reckon. Which would put him going on nearly a week. So yeah, it is exciting. I can't wait, to be honest. It'd be good. Scared, but it'd be good. First usually are a bit, what, early or late? Hopefully late. Down to kicking like my mum did to me. I remember you saying that last time. It was fucking about a month early, weren't you, Solly? That's mad. Late, okay, that's cool, that's cool. Excited for him to be here, but excited for him to be here on his due date when he's supposed to be here. Don't want any early surprises. Okay, 7.5. Okay, that's not too bad actually. It's not too bad. Well, 21 EMA would have been in the money today. Just about, I think. Oh no, it wouldn't actually. I'd normally enter on the break of this candle, wouldn't I? And stop loss would have been all the way down here, so this would only be about 0.8. Any bangers today? No, mate, nothing yet. I've been waiting patiently for it to reach a level that I'm interested in. I like the idea of a short from the 6355 area on ES. If we get up there, we stalled a little bit. I think we've still got some to go yet though. What about you, mate? Any winning trades today? Gone from 34s and NQ. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'm assuming 2 3-4s, not 1 3-4s. You'll be having a great day if you're long from 1 3-4. Yeah, nice man, nice. Yeah, I think you're on the right side. Like I said, I still think there's a bit more to go. I think this is just the pause before the second leg. But obviously I don't know, do I? No one knows. 1 3-4 would have been nice, yeah, man. American dream, yeah. How much do I have to pass? Oh, mate, 3.5 grand. I'm in drawdown. I had a bit of a shitty week last week. Taking trades I shouldn't have really been taking. It's yeah, my own fault. I think I was about £1 grand down last week. It's a bit of a shame because I was making progress on it, but then yeah, gave it all back in a few trades. Yeah, showing strength. Yeah, I feel like we're looking strong, but we'll see. We'll see. Got to get out of this little range that we're in now. Long an NQ for a while. Nicely, though. Stopping if it closes below the 50 EMA on the 1 minute yet. I think you'd be alright, to be honest. Did you get a nice entry? No, you probably did. Probably been long fucking since 098, knowing you, Leo. Can we go up now, please, sir? Nothing worse than entering a pause in the market and you're sitting there for fucking ages. I had it a couple of weeks ago. We were moving quite a bit, and then as soon as I entered, it just absolutely dropped dead for about 2 hours and just went sideways. Eventually got the win after a fucking good wait, but wish we've only better. I blew a 150k eval. Final trade came within 3 ticks and then reversed me. Oh, what? Wow, that's annoying, isn't it? 3 ticks. Nothing in it. It's always the way though. It's always a fucking 1 or 2 ticks in it. On 247, but up on the day, so if it sorts me out, all good. Oh, still a good entry, I think. Crashed out so hard it was on Friday. Oh yeah, Friday was a bit of a beast of a day, wasn't it? Through the whole thing. So when you say you use final trade came within 3 ticks and then reversed me, is that 3 ticks to literally pass in the account? And then it fully reversed. And then you blew it. No problem is I'm fiddling in the middle yet. It's hard to know that you're in the middle sometimes. If you get in early, you don't know that you're in the middle because you're early to the show, aren't you? Did you enter after this 5-minute close or something? That's a nice 5-minute close, isn't it? Yeah, 3 flicking ticks and the whole account. Jesus. That's harsh, man. That is harsh. It's almost like they're new in it. Oh, that solid's about to pass is 150k. Let's fucking crash the market. While it was forming, I hope stopped out. But at least you're up on the day, man. Maybe with that close yet. Better to be out than still in. I had my ICT tinfoil hat on. They haunted my stops. Haunted my stops. Oh man. That fucking that video, I think it was Iron Man did it, didn't he? ICT was live streaming. It was every trade he was taking was a losing. It was, oh yeah, they're hunting my stops, hunting my stops. Because everyone else was copying his trades, they were hunting his stops. Does ICT even still post anymore? I know he went on to Telegram, didn't he? I can't believe I'm still subscribed to him, Jesus. Need to change that. Yeah, last post was about a month ago. His last actual written post was 5 months ago, which is very unusual for him. How can you be trading a sim account and people be hunting your stops? You're not even in the market. I know. That's, I mean, the vast majority of people that have been watching his live stream would have also been trading sim accounts. That have been trading combines and challenges and stuff. Very unlikely that lots of them were trading their own personal account. Done on the 150k. TakeProfitTrader funded up 1,500. Gonna lock in. Get the rest of my funded futures evals done. Nice, Nathan. Cracking day, man. Great day. Haven't heard much of him lately. Yeah, no, I haven't. I saw that he was moving over to Telegram, probably to move away from all the people calling him out for being a scammer and whatever else. People say the wildest things to avoid responsibility. I know, man. He couldn't, like, what would be wrong with just saying, oh, I'm just having a shit day? Like, surely, like, I would prefer that for my mental rather than, just fucking absolutely gaslighting everyone. And blaming on stupid, made up shit. Like, you can't fucking have fucking winners every single trade. Like, considering he like preaches about emotions so much, he doesn't handle his emotions well. Oh, where did this come from? By stepping in. still holding out hope that ICT clutches the Robbins Cup. Is he even in this one this year? That was the last straw for me. I mean, I started moving away from him early in 2024 anyway, but yeah, as soon as he was just non-existent when the Robbins Cup was coming towards the end, and clearly he'd obviously absolutely bollocked it and just went silent, radio silent. Says it all, doesn't it? With his gimmicks, just elite marketing strategy yet. I mean, he's definitely made money from it, hasn't he? Another news move down to 2 micros, money funded, second day of trade, and haven't blown up yet. The whole $8 up. That's good, man. What's your previous track record of how long a funded account would last you? Like, in all seriousness, it's not like literally like would be gone within 2 days normally, would it? Never more than a week, yeah. But yeah, keep going the way you're going, mate, and yeah, hopefully you can break your record, man. But I know it can be hard, like trading with like such little amounts sometimes, because like I find it difficult because I'm impatient and I want it now. Do you know what I mean? But I think when you get into that mindset, that's just how you can easily blow it, because you're risking far too much for what you've got available. It then completely fucks you over emotionally, because you're then terrified to lose a trade because you can't, because you risk so much, and then leads to over trading and tilting. And yeah, I think if you're trading with an amount that you don't really care to lose, it's not going to affect you. If you take 3 losing trades in a trot today, but you're only risking $50 a trade, you've only lost $150. It's not that deep. You might feel a bit shitty, but you'll be able to come back tomorrow and hopefully trade with zero emotions again. Do you know what I mean? But if you had lost $750 that day, the next day would be a lot harder to come back, wouldn't it? It'd be a lot harder to come back and trade emotionlessly. I think that's what I'm really trying to focus on, is not think of the money amount, and just focus on winning trades, executing my strategy, and the money will follow that, won't it? So just that shortens you by a few seconds. Doesn't matter, exactly. There'll be more opportunities, man. There'll be more opportunities. So there's plenty of time to tilt. And I'm over trading with them, but it doesn't matter as the risk is so low yet. But as long as you keep the risk low, that's all that matters, man. And even if you're not happy with how you're trading, at least you can trade for free, essentially, on a funded account. And if you're risking so little, it might take you 2-3 months to blow it, but at least you've got 2-3 months of real live trading experience with the full emotions of trading a funded account before you then got to start paying for anything else if you did end up blowing it. And there's still the opportunity that you won't blow it and you'll make money and you'll be able to take a payout. So it's not like you're just sim trading. You're the emotions are a bit more there, and yeah, you're just getting more trades under your belt, which I think is the most important thing, really. Yeah, I've got a good feeling for you, K-Man. Positive vibes for you. I think you're gonna do well on this one. Thanks, babes. You're right, mate. You're welcome. And the account's gone. I know you're joking. I know you're joking. Even you couldn't make him disappear that quick, man. Challenge accepted. Don't tempt me, Frodo. I don't think I went through the news this week, did I? I don't think it's too hectic of a news week this week. Well, services PMI tomorrow at 10 AM. Should have a bit of a reaction off of that. Absolutely diddly fucking squat on Wednesday. Unemployment claims on Thursday. The UK's forecast to drop their interest rate on Thursday as well. That's interesting. I didn't realise that. Forecast to drop down to 4% from 4.25%. That'll just piss Trump off even more. Then you got unemployment rate in Canada on Friday. But yeah, nothing for the US on Friday. So yeah, fairly quiet week news-wise. I don't know if there's any earnings this week, is there? Yeah, there's a few earnings this week, but nothing too major that I can see. Where's the old playlist? I feel out of place. This is the old playlist with just about an hour extra of new tunage. It was getting a little bit boring, wasn't it? It was getting a little bit boring. Yeah, I think there's now 3.5 hours of audio on this one. I know, 2.5 hours. Yeah, before I think there was only an hour and a half, which was like, I'm normally streaming for potentially 2 hours normally. So it'd be repeated. Yeah, now I've got 2.5 hours, but there's not a lot on Epidemic Sound drum and bass wise, man. So I have to like clutch at straws. Some of the ones I've added are a little bit questionable. Some of them are quite good, but this one's not too bad. You quite like these tunes, luckily. You need to start singing, Sam. Use that as a soundtrack. No one wants to hear that, trust me. No one wants to hear that. The most you'll get out of me is a hum. But even that's fucking unbearable. You get the odd head bump. But it just looks like I'm having a fit. Can you imagine that though? Trading in karaoke. We'll get guests on, but the catch is you've got to sing karaoke. I think I've asked this question before. What would your if you were forced to do karaoke? Because not everyone wants to do karaoke. If you were forced to do karaoke, what would be your song of choice? I don't know what mine would be. Potentially, I think the last time I said Rockstar Nickelback, or maybe an Oasis track or something. I know a lot of the words to them, so. Jolene, yeah. Jolene. This kind of Simple Man, yeah, okay. The way I think about it is logically that I have to know most of the words, and I don't really know words to songs. Singing about ball flags and Fibonacci is never getting to stop. You know, they have the words on the screen, right? Yeah, mate, but I'm a bit of a slow reader as well, so... I'll tell you what, I'm not all there. I'm pretty sure I'm not all there. I wouldn't be able to keep up with the writing on the screen. the end, wrapping the shit out of it. Dropping the mic at the end. Yeah, you can't do it without a mic drop. I think I've only done karaoke once and I was fucking hammered. I think. If I can't read sober, I definitely can't read hammered. Mate, this range is boring. Oh, so the NQ is definitely looking a bit weaker in it than ES. ChatGPT sees active users to 700 million from 500 million in the last year. Two seconds, guys. My estate agent's ringing me. I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. Let's rotate down. I think I'm going to call it, guys. Nothing's happening. I still like the idea of a short from 354. But I'll leave it for the alert to ping me, and then I'll see if I can take it then. But I'm going to go and have some dinner. And yeah, should hopefully be back tomorrow. If I do take a trade, I'll let you know in Discord, in the trades tab bit. And yeah, we'll see how we go. But cheers on by everyone, and I should be back tomorrow, normal time. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy, man, if you're still trading. And yeah, see you all tomorrow. See you later, man.